Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the macro tool and gathering assets. This is critical because different tools use different syntax and permissions. Once installed, back up your Minecraft config and enable any mod or developer toggles to avoid lost settings. Next, pick the precise action you want to automate, for example, place sequence, attack rotation, or auto-eat, and record one clean instance so your macro replicates predictable input and timing accurately. Now you write the macro, bind a key, list actions, and add delays in milliseconds to mimic human timing. This reduces detection and prevents missed inputs. Once done, test it in a local or peaceful world so you can iterate without penalties. Make small loops and tweak delays while watching for dropped keystrokes. If something misfires, log the exact step and adjust timing. Also, make sure your script avoids commands that break server rules. Finish by saving version copies and exporting the profile so you can reuse or restore quickly. Consistency matters for later tweaks. Add a toggle key and a kill switch to stop the macro instantly. Include short cooldowns to prevent runaway loops. If the macro behaves oddly, make sure Minecraft has window focus, increase delays slightly, and test one action at a time. If that fails, revert to your backup and compare differences to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.